When it comes to creating a smart and comfortable living environment, knowing the exact temperature and humidity levels in your home or office is essential. The LinknLink eTHS2 Smart Hygrothermograph Mini delivers an accurate, compact, and highly connected solution that blends seamlessly into any smart ecosystem. The eTHS2 is sleek, lightweight, and truly wireless. Powered by a standard CR2032 coin battery with an impressive 1-year lifespan, it requires no cables or complicated setup. Its minimalist design allows it to be placed anywhere, whether on a desk, shelf, or mounted discreetly in a corner, while maintaining accurate measurements. At the heart of the eTHS2 lies a Swiss Sensorion industrial-grade sensor, known for its reliability and precision. This ensures accurate real-time monitoring of both temperature and humidity. Whether used at home, in an office, or even in a storage environment, you can trust the readings to reflect true conditions. The LinknLink eTHS2 Smart Hygrothermograph Mini is more than just a thermometer. It's a powerful smart home companion. Compact yet capable, it provides accurate readings, seamless integration with Alexa and Google Home, and exceptional long-term data tracking, all at an affordable cost. For anyone serious about maintaining the perfect indoor environment, whether for health, comfort, or protecting valuables, the eTHS2 is a smart investment that punches well above its size.